Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create macros in Excel. Begin by opening Excel on your computer. Once Excel is open, navigate to the View tab located at the top of the window. Click on the Macros option in the toolbar to access the Macros menu. Within the Macros menu, select Record Macro to begin the recording process. Give your macro a name that describes its function. This helps you identify it later. Optionally, you can assign a shortcut key combination to your macro for quick access. Select where you want to store the macro. This could be in the current workbook or your macro workbook for future use. Provide a brief description of what your macro does for future reference. Click OK to start recording your actions. Excel will now track everything you do until you stop recording. Start typing data and formatting it according to your need. For example, create a basic sales report format with item names, prices, and quantities. Use Excel's formatting tools to make your data visually appealing. You can center align text, add colors, and adjust borders as desired. Include calculations, such as grand totals or subtotals if needed. Once you have finished recording your actions, return to the View tab and click Macros again. Choose Stop Recording to finalize your macro. To use your macro, open a new or existing Excel sheet and press the shortcut key combination you assigned earlier. This will automatically execute the recorded actions, saving you time and effort. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.